Beautiful breakout rally in US crude, and I told you yesterday very specifically, once it stays above 81.2, 81.4 levels, it is going to fly high. We have to wait for 82, 82.6, and then beyond that 83.5. Achieved all the targets. I hope you all profited with the yesterday's analysis, and at the same time net gas has dropped sharply and it has gone below 2.2 now. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets. The next update will be released before the US session to watch that also. Let's start. First we look into crude oil WTI followed with net gas. Now look at the hourly charts here. Now see extreme divergence again. Whenever we have seen the divergent, it is, see, first the moving averages moves up and then it tries to achieve this. Same is happening here. It is diverged here. Now it is trying to at least achieve these levels, which is right now at around 82.6 levels. 82.6 is a very good support. And if you look at the hourly charts, you'll also find that there is a slight support here at 82.9. So I'll recommend you to sell here at 82.8 levels and expect 82.6, 82.4 as a major support till this zone, till it stays above 81.4. Do not consider this as bearish for now. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the hourly charts have taken a crossover. See, this is the second time it is crossover, and it is crossing over at a slightly higher levels. It can try to dig deep. Its RSI is also near to overbought levels. If you look at 2 hour on the 2 hour chart, so similar is the story: rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation. It does not mean that it cannot give you third rally. Yes, it will or it may, but then it has to break past 83.5 levels, which is a certainly very strong resistance. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. See, it is given a breakout here. Now it's to the next resistance level. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness. Now remember, after consolidating for a while, it has started to create its channel, and possibly till the time it stays above 82.5 levels today, we can expect it to continue with the upward journey. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also overbought. See, everything is overbought, and hence it can try to consolidate with a slight bearish drop before it looks over to a rise. And see, the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation. The rally has just started. It will continue for a little while. It is consolidated here. This gap is now left unaddressed. It will take its time to fill this gap. Right now, possibility for it to rise exists. Stochastic overbought on the 4 hour charts. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also overbought, and likewise on the daily charts you will see. Now see, on the daily charts, after a long time, see the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over the 20 and 100 crossover, and then I'll wait for the 50 and 100 crossover too. Now once this crossover happens, more bullishness is going to stay in oil. Now look at the 2 charts here, and those who recall, many a times I told you 79.8, 79.4. Till the time you should stay long in oil, and precisely this is breezed this time on the upside. This was the second successive red green candle. There is always a possibility of a third and a bigger green candle also. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD divergent and bullish. It has still got the scope for it to rise. RSI trying to look upwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 83.5 and sell at 82.8. For this $0.7, do not trade, or for this 70 cents, do not take any position. If you are taking a sell entry at 82.8, remember 20 cents is the trailing stop loss. 82.6, 82.4, 82.2, 82, and then 81.8 till 81.8. Be alert, cautious, and rather I will say till 81.4. Be alert, cautious. Below that only we are going to see the bearishness. Till it stays above 81.4, do not consider this as bearish for the day. And in fact, once it breaks out beyond 83.5, we are going to look at 84.5 and then 85 levels as the next stronger resistance. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at net gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 17th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. Very strong resistance there, 2.3. and we had seen that 2.3, 2.32, these are the levels only above which you should stay long, and that is what I had mentioned here too. Now precisely it has dropped from the 2.3 levels, and in fact it has breached the support on the downside here at 2.25, and now we can see trading with a drop. But if you look at the moves there, see this was the consolidation zone and it is still trading in this bullish channel. Hence yes, you can take a sell at 2.16, but then 2.14, 2.12, 2.1, these are the support levels. And remember, it higher lows here, and if it breaks past 2.2 again, certainly we can see a reversal here too. So in between 2.16 and 2.2, do not take any trade. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD has come to the bottom there and is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also trading at bottom. Likewise on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see the moving averages have started to cross over right now, are still in the green side, and this zone 2.2 to 2.24 is going to provide now a good resistance on the upside. Stochastic is extremely oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, but look at this flat bottom, 3 candles. Now there should be a slight retracement which you can expect, and I'll be expected to break past 2.2. However, the next resistance zone is 2.2, 2.4 zone, very strong resistance there. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down here. Look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see these 2 candles, complete movement is engulfed within this candle. It means that there should be a bounce back. That is what I should expect here. The stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. See on the 4-hour charts, MACD has diverged strongly and now it is still trading bearish. RSI looking down, and if you look at daily charts, on the daily charts after a couple of greener candles, now see first of all, this is still bullish till the time it stays above 2.1416 zone, and in fact till 2.1 I will consider this as bullish. There is all the possibility for it to bounce back or reverse from here. Stochastic looking up, MACD has crossed over at the bottom and trading with little divergence. RSI looking down, trying to trade with moderate bearishness. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2.3 and sell at 2.16. Sorry, buy at 2.2 and sell at 2.16. If you are buying at 2.2 till 2.3, just put a 2 cents stop loss there, and yes, trailing stop loss of 2 cents will definitely help you, because above that 2.2 to 2.24 is a very strong resistance zone. Only and only if it stays above 2.24 we can expect that we are looking at 2.3 and plus levels. On the downside, remember the fact, till the time it stays above 2.14, 2.1 zone, we are going to stay bullish. You can sell at 2.16, but then be cautious till then. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.